Speak on the issues as you feel them. Senator Obama will speak with passion on the issues as he feels them. Let then the American people decide between the two. But to twist words, to discredit your opponent, is loathsome and is not deserving of the office of president. So, I had to speak on that. And I must say that I would hope in the rest of the campaign that you will try and refrain from these type of tactics, because I believe strongly that you will see in the end that they have not served you well. They have not served you well. And I believe that when you do news reports and you say that Senator, that you have brought a lifetime of experience, you'll bring a lifetime of experience to the office. Senator McCain will bring a lifetime of experience to the office. And Senator Obama will bring a speech from 2002. If that is not the most destructive thing you've said, not only about Senator Obama, but about any Democratic candidate for the office of president, your own party colleague, you should be ashamed of yourself. Shame on you, Hillary Clinton. Shame on you, Hillary Clinton. Because that was completely loathsome. You are building up your opponent, who will take that soundbite, and if Senator Obama, to which I believe he will, win the Democratic nomination, John McCain will use that soundbite against him that you gave to him as a gift. Or if, for some crazy reason, Senator Obama becomes the vice president or is on the ticket to be vice president, how will your argument be that you have a vice president that you are claiming has no experience and certainly shouldn't be in the White House? And don't you think that the Republicans will use that against the Democrats? What were you thinking? Again, judgment. Judgment is key. And I say to you, falling there. And I say to you, reconsider your mode of operation in trying to attain the nomination for the Democratic Party. I think it is scandalous that your name is on the ballot in Florida, and that your name is on the ballot of Michigan, and that you, Senator Clinton, want those delegates in Florida that voted to be given, both in Michigan and in Florida, when you are very well aware, as you signed the document yourself, that there would be no campaigning, and that you were well aware that these delegates would not be seated. Certainly, you, Senator Obama, can ask the DNC to have them seated, or not to have them seated, but to have some type of verification for these voters. Certainly, these voters should have some voice. But I think your tactics are quite obvious. Which brings the sense of cheating. And cheating is what the Democrats have been done over by the Republicans for like 8 years now. They've been cheated. And it seems to me, Senator Clinton, that you're trying to affect that yourself, I'm sorry to say. those states knew the consequences of their actions. Certainly the voters are the ones mostly affected by this. And I would hope that there can be some resolution so those voters can be heard. But that is not an issue for you to take up. And to say that you're the people that voted should be seated because there was no campaigning in Florida. And it's clear that anywhere Barack Obama has campaigned, he either gets ahead or he gets even with you. And you're well aware of that. So, I find that distressing. I find it shameful that you take that position, and I think it was a calculated position that you took long ago. And again, I question your judgment. I question your honesty. I question your character. Unfortunately. But this is what your moves, Senator Clinton, have brought me to. And again, when you talk about all Senator Obama brings is a speech from 2002. That is so... I'm not a politician. I want to say things, but that is so wrong.